Rise and shine.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, hey yo, shout out to everybody that's subscribed to this channel. We almost at 19K.
Is that right?
I can't wait to hit that 19.5. You already know. But anyway, this toast is for you. Actually, it's for me. I just want to drink, but yeah, I know.
No.
Speaking of tequila, yo, y'all been seeing what's been going on in Mexico with El Chapo's son? I'm playing out there.
I don't play either. Yo, you better slow down yourself, man.
So yo, y'all see by the title of this vid right here, it's about my weekly pickups that I had, and in a couple cases, every single pickup has a damn story. Damn near, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, man, yo, first up, Hypebeast pickup. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I don't know what made me cop these. The Hype.
No shit.
I was at the PX. I seen these joints for like $2 and something. I was like, oh, okay. I don't like the cereal, but you know, it's not. I definitely gonna eat. You know, I rock the Reese's Puffs. But my favorite cereal is obviously Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now, what I wish they would have done with the Travis Scott joints was made it the white chocolate Reese's joints. Now that would have been something special, but yeah, man, just a regular joint. Got your basic 170 calories, you know what I'm saying? And damn, let's put 1 cup.
So what?
I'm gonna eat 3, keep 1, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's it. All right, y'all, my bad. I got in my Arizona Diamondback snapback, the joint to go with the LeBron 7 red carpet joint. Shout out to my man Ness1 for the assist. Can't really go too much into this joint because, like I said, the audio was messed up. So, moving on. This package came in from, Ralph Lauren. This is for my homegirl's all-white party. Oh, yeah. Julie's pregnant, y'all.
I'm about to be on some real murder shit, eh? I'm telling you, man.
She having her gender reveal tomorrow. And that little gathering's gonna be looking like an exotic island.
Deaf women, man, I'm gonna be hooking you up with, man.
Man, you married.
Only thing I'm scared about is I've been eating a lot.
I got a weight problem. Can't wait to eat.
Got the Ralph Lauren with the bear. They got a bear right there. Let me try to get closer. All right. Well, my homegirls was like, oh, probably get a smaller bear. They didn't have the smaller bear. But anyway, yeah. So, I mean, I usually get my damn joints in a size classic fit. I usually get my my polos in a size medium. All my other joints are medium. So, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? After tomorrow's 2 exercises in the gym, I'll be ready to go, you know what I'm saying? Backstory, I'm gonna show you that my jeans are actually at Valaire's right now, getting tailored. I need a white pair of jeans for this all-white party. I looked on Saks Fifth online, and they had a pair of Hugo jeans. I don't really know if they were Hugo bought, but they were Hugo. And I forgot what the price was before, but they was on sale for like 79 bucks. Boom, you know me, I got that American Express card, so I get to save $50 twice throughout the year, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So I was gonna save $50, it's gonna be $29. So anyway, I ordered the jeans. I'm like, hell yeah, let's get it. I get an email and it said, oh, your order's been canceled. I was like, wow, what the hell? So I just called up and I was like, yo, what's up? So they were like, oh yeah, our security team, we couldn't verify. And at first I let them rock me a little bit. I let them rock me with it because I was like, all right, because I thought I said, all right, because it was a new card. I had to replace my card. I had scratched it, so I got a new one. So I said, let me talk to the security team. Too easy. She was like,
She can't talk right now. She busy.
they'll be contacting you in 24 to 48 hours. But I'm like,
You kids think y'all slick, don't you? Oh, no.
that's the last size available. I was like, nah, that ain't gonna work. I was like, so wait a minute, are they holding these jeans for me? Because I don't need them to like disappear all of a sudden, you know? And like, oh no, you know, they're gonna, everything be good 24, 48 hours, and then they'll ship them overnight. She rocked me all the way to sleep. I was like, all right, you know what I'm saying? I like, all right, ship them, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
But I wasn't comfortable with that, you know? I called I had to call about 5 more times, deadass. Every time I kept calling, it'd be like a new line, like a new story. And I was like, all right. I said, are y'all sure y'all gonna call? Because it's 1 more day. Y'all gonna call? Yeah, we're gonna call. All right, boom. So one guy had the nerve to tell me, he was like, oh yeah, I see where they have in the notes that they're calling you today. I said, oh yeah, what time? You know you ain't rocking me, what time? You know, and you always get this foreigner that don't, you know, they're just reading off the chart. They don't get what you're saying. It's just some foreigner. It's first name American, last name a color. You know what I'm saying? John Brown. When all actuality it's like Push Parage.
Cash, check, or credit card?
Stop that.
That's racist.
He said, nah, I don't know. I can't tell that. But anyway, so it came to the last day, really. It was already 5 o'clock. Oh, no, it was about 7 or something. So I called back. I was like, hey, I said, they said they was calling in 48 hours or whatever. I said, so now you're going to tell me, because the first time I called was 7 o'clock in the morning. I said, you're going to tell me that they're going to call me from 8 o'clock at night to like 7 in the morning?
Yeah.
I go to bed at 9:30. This is a weekday. So then, man, they was like, yeah, something. I was like, nah, let me speak to the manager. You get another foreigner, you know what I'm saying? And so I said, damn. So I told him the story. I'm like, yo, this is trash. He's like, oh no, then I can call you in 24 to 48 hours. It's like 3 weeks.
I'm pissed off.
3 weeks? I said, nah, man, what it is y'all ain't got these jeans and y'all trying to act like, oh, you trying to cover your tracks and act like, oh, it was something on my part. And you're like, no, we have them. I said, all right, cool, I know how to play this game. My mother got the card. I use her $50, ain't no thing. Yo, my mother got the joint, same thing.
Wow, how convenient is fucking that?
I said, hell no, you know what I'm saying? Like, nah, I called back, I left, like, I did emails, but it's just bad customer service with Saks Fifth, like, word up. Like, customer service sucks. You really gotta go in store. All right, so anyway, found another pair. I found a white pair of Ralph Lauren jeans online. They was like 98 bucks. I was like, boom, with the 50, 48, you know?
Once upon a time in the black part of the city.
It's always so loud here.
I'm tired of this shit.
But I was like, man, I'm not ordering these joints because I ain't got that many days. I went down to the Saks Fifth. Y'all gonna see that vid come up anyway. I went down to the Saks Fifth downtown. And great customer service in there, you know what I'm saying? Got the jeans, tried them on, boom, boom, boom. The guy even took me upstairs and showed me like the Canada Gooses. Like he really like put me on game on like the different Canada Gooses. But anyway, so got my joints and he was telling me, cause he like, oh, you said you need a tailor.
Is this a fucking joke? Somebody tell me this is a fucking joke. Tell me, somebody. Is it a joke?
I got a tailor, you know what I'm saying? So he like, all right, you should wash them first and dry them. I said, all right, cool, you know I do that. So anyway, I get back up here like 2 days later. I take the jeans down to the laundry, do my joints. I'm about to throw them in the laundry. Yo, they left the tag in the jeans. Oh my God, you know what I'm saying? I said, oh hell no. So at first I was like, can I just wash them, you know what I'm saying, like that? But I was like, nah. So the laundry lady, she joking me. She was like, yo, don't be stealing up here though, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, I'm like, so I'm tight. Call Saks again. I'm thinking I'm calling like the store or something. I can't get through to the Ralph Lauren joint. All I think I'm gonna just be like, hey, I can't come all the way down there, but can I take it to the Saks off Fifth that's closer to these joints removed? So anyway, I call and I'm to the spill again.
My bad about that. Man, my damn mic gave out and shit. Damn. But anyway, that don't stop the show. I got a backup. But anyway, yo, so yeah, so I'm like, yo, give me, what's your name? You know what I'm saying? Like I want Ange and all that crap. You know, I'm like, Ange what? Like, is that what you put on your job? Then I was like, hold up, man, is this a call center? She like, yeah, man, I just banged it on. I was like, nah, you know. So anyway, and my bad if I'm starting to talk loud. I just ain't been used to using this Rode mic in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so man, I called back. I finally get this other department because I just can't get back to the Ralph Lauren joint. Told them the story. They put me on the phone with a manager, but a real joint. I'm like, is this somebody that's in the store? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So, long story short, they called. They said like, yeah, you could take it to Saks off Fifth. We got the same joints to remove it, and boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all good, and that's what I did. So like I said, right now it's at Valaire's, and he came through. He said he's gonna hook me up. My bad. I keep looking to make sure. All right, yo. All right, I just want to make sure I'm good with the mic, man. But anyway, yeah. So we're good on that. All right, my last pickup. Let me clean my hands, cause as y'all see, I'm already digging in the bag and all that type of stuff, cause I got to do some editing right here. I got this Jordan jersey. Boom. See the joint, man. I'm hyped. Got this joint, bam. Shout out to my man KD Ray. You know what I'm saying? 4KD Ray on my back. That's my guy. Y'all seen he done came up to New York like 2 times. But yeah, he works at Marshall's and he hooked me up. and I made a funny comment. I was like, damn, y'all only get a 10% discount? Or is that what you just gave me? Nah, but yeah, no, I appreciate it, homie. You know, for real, man. And I said a line. I said, a white tee is like a white jersey back up off the wall like hot coffee. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? And it still sounds good. But nah, yeah, so yeah, this is the joint right here, man. Jordan brand. This is my first Jordan jersey ever, man. Word. Like I'm hype. I appreciate it, man. I damn sure do. Rocking this joint in DR. You know what I'm saying? Soon. But yeah, so that's that. Quick story about this one. What happened? Oh yeah, so today it's Friday and the jersey's supposed to come. I'm tracking it and I'm calling UPS because I'm like, hey, is this jersey coming? Because I know y'all say the window is like from this time to 8 o'clock, but it ain't no 8 o'clock. This is a business, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I pull up my whip, how my job's situated. There's a guard hut right here. Then there's a gate.
After that, you'll squat up to the second floor. This worker rings a buzzer and a code. A little panel on the wall opens up. Bang, you get the crack.
Guard be acting like he don't never know me when I come through, so I always gotta flash my badge. But it's cool because I'm parked in front of the gate. Guard hut back there. I can see the UPS truck. I'm looking, waiting. I'm like, damn, I'm just waiting to see him. So then I can just be like, yo, you got my joint. So anyway, UPS comes up out of my building, like my job. So I was like, oh shit. So I get up out the whip and I start walking towards him because he's there, right there with stuff. So as I'm going, oh boy, he like, oh, excuse me, sir. So I like, what's up? He like, are you gonna be parked here long? I like, nah, like I'm just gonna get the UPS. So then he's trying to say more stuff. I'm kind of listening. I'm like, what? I like, no, I'm just trying the UPS guy. And he's like, all right, because you can't park in front. I said, yo, he's right there. Like he can pretty much see. So finally, you know what I'm saying? I turn around. Of course, UPS goes back into the building. So I'm like, damn, now I gotta go into the building. So I go in there, I see him. He's dropped off my joint in my office. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I go get my joint. I'm walking back to the whip, get ready to give him my joint. Here comes security. Oh, excuse me, sir.
What the fuck is it with you? I thought I was getting pitched over here. He's hanging on my fucking neck like a vulture, like a pending day. What do you want?
Yeah, I just want to let you know for future reference, you can't park right here. I said, okay, yeah. He was like, because if it's a fire, if it's an emergency, we got to have this gate clear. So I like, yeah, but the UPS guy was right there, and he's still trying to talk over me. And I was like, yeah, but I was trying to tell you that the UPS guy was right there. I could have got him, but you kept talking like you're doing now.
Who's coming in here looking for trouble, huh? Suppose I busted your head. How would you...
Like, damn, you know, like I just said, nah, the UPS ain't right there, you know, like shut up and let me just get to it. Yeah, I still did have to go in the building, but damn, man, yo, fall back. But anyway, yo, so shout out to my man D-Ray. 400 likes on this joint, man. My bad about the audio, but it was a good thing that I caught it before I went into post-production, so I'd have been tight. But anyway, yo, shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me. Let me
Here we go again.
follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
What the fuck?
But that Snaps.
This guy.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.